Deep in the winter forest, far from human footsteps, stood an old, long-abandoned house. This man decided to give it a second life. Step by step, he repaired the rotting door, patched the broken windows, and restored the roof damaged by years of decay. Inside, he installed a stove to warm the cold space. To make life more comfortable, he also connected a small power source from batteries, bringing light back to the house that had once been shrouded in darkness. He began removing the old, peeling, and damp wallpaper that had deteriorated after years of abandonment. As layers of material were removed, the wooden frame underneath was gradually revealed, showing signs of damage caused by harsh weather. The work proceeded slowly but meticulously, as each restored layer of wall not only made the house look neater, but also, upon completion, made the interior space more private and comfortable, gradually transforming the old house into a safe haven to live in amidst the desolate forest.